Keep an eye for your head. No, another fall.
Yeah, watch.
No fishing though.
No fishing?
No fish.
No fishing. Only looking. No, no. Oh yeah.
Many unmarked graves here. Wow.
Don't.
I don't know if people died or because.
Look at it. Take all the tourist people deep into the jungle.
Oh, look at the flowers.
We're in the jungle now.
Dum, dum, dum.
Be careful, no branch or coconut hit you in the head, man.
Coconut in your head, you're done. It's sent from God.
Keep out.
That's new. Well, last time that wasn't here.
See, up and one show up here, and they put their sign on.
នេះពួកខ្ញុំដើរចូលទៅក្នុង rainforest deep into the jungle of Hawaii.
Fallen trees. Take a sign.
And dog, watch out for tree, falling coconut, everything.
Oh, look at it. Don't turn him on it.
Look at the mango tree.
Mango tree. Oh.
Where?
No.
Right here, mango tree.
Yeah, get up there and get it.
I don't see no fruit. No fruit. No fruit. No, this one easy to get up than the coconut tree. Because it got the winding right here. Just hold on to it and grab onto it.
Yeah.
Why, you a Tarzan?
Falling trees.
Look at ដើមឈើនេះវាដួលបិទផ្លូវឥឡូវកាត់វាធ្វើផ្លូវដល់
It wasn't like this before, huh, honey?
Yeah, they're falling.
It just came down.
បាទដូចថា
Mango tree or fly on my
បងប្អូនពូម៉ាក់ទាំងអស់ហ៎បាទមក Hawaii ធម្មជាតិដូចស្រុកយើងអញ្ចឹងដូចស្រុកខ្មែរស្រុកថៃស្រុកឡាវ yeah everything is real
No spray sunscreen.
yeah
Bad for the. Oh,
You don't
this-
have to
this
worry.
tree is right here.
Oh, the star fruits.
Where's that at?
Up there.
oh up there
Where?
right there
Star fruits? Oh, drop some down here.
Oh, they're so cute.
yeah star fruit right there
Throw a rock and just run.
oh.
Yeah. What's the fruit? Is it all the fruit up there? Coffee bean.
Where?
Coffee right here. This red berry right here? Coffee bean.
Colombian coffee.
Coffee grows low.
Look at this.
Go tree like that.
Everything is real, okay? It's not Hollywood background, okay?
I know we gotta eat it all.
Are you sure that's coffee?
Yeah, that's coffee.
Yeah.
I went to the coffee.
Whatever you guys see on this video is all real.
Áo nữa là đây nè. Phải tam.
Yeah, it's all real. No Hollywood background.
Xả đó nè.
No, that's not coffee.
You never seen coffee?
No, it's not coffee. It was little beans.
That's coffee. I know. That's coffee.
It's supposed to be black first or something?
Red coffee. Red, really red. You go. It's not right. It's not really.
Wouldn't coffee be black beans?
បាទនេះធម្មជាតិចេះបាទដូចថាយើងដើរមួយថ្ងៃមើលគេក៏ហត់ដែរ Yeah
Long, small.
Good thing
Yeah.
I brought this back, right?
You know what? I don't believe
no complaining for the view like this
you know, a
Yeah.
rainforest like this. Like fly on a link junk.
No, they don't have anymore. When we
No
came, it
mango
was a
tree,
whole
huh?
full tree.
mango tree អត់មាន
The
You know
whole
what?
tree.
That star fruit, that'll hydrate you real good. It's all full of water.
Water.
Okay,
yes.
picture noon stop
Noon, stop.
break
Nobody look that way.
Okay.
Why keep moving black?
Hey Tarzan, can you swing on that? Tarzan, Sandy, can you swing on that wing right here? Swing from one to another.
The lower one you can.
Honey, you can get the swing in the spot.
Might be a bee high here.
There's a big vine coming down.
You see bees?
Yeah, big. I saw the bee.
There's a lot of
That's
bees.
no, that's I knew.
no if it be get the honey
Red ones.
Yeah.
There's a lot of.
No it's got ដើម banner នេះហើយមិនមានផ្លែជ្រូក It's got to be a tree right here
Right here.មកវិញចាំកវិញវា
bà này thọ này đam nhô bà nhô
Đàm nhul.
What is that? Jeremiah?
đam nhựa
What's that?
No,
The-
it's
the
like, I
shaky
don't know,
tree.
I never seen it before.
It's
You
like
know what a fruit
Jeremiah?
stand in it?
Where?
wear safe sunscreen.
Oh, there's papaya right there on the ground.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Ôi, bật là hông. Nè, không nè.
Wow, this that's the best view. Nèกระท่อมแท้นี่ใจเนี่ยแผลนี่ใจอ่ะอันนี้จุลตะเครื่องบ้านใจ yeah
Ngày đi vô là con ngày đấy.
Không bao giờ vô, không bao giờ vô.
Dạ.
Yeah, leave it like that.
Rồi liếp này là bao giờ vô, bên này vô đi.
Yeah.
đợt đòn đi hãy đâm là hông chuyên sẽ đâm trăm tờ tu dương rồi bây giờ
Họ quên gì come back.
Honey, you sick?
Watch my head.
Oh, look. No.
wow so đâm là hông right here see đâm là hông đó mơ này là hông thóc đi pua mà it's hot
Poor man.
When you come back, they're not the third shape.
hayនេះសិតមឿនព្រៃបាទមឿនព្រៃអានេះបើយើងចាប់បានយកបានតែដល់យើងចាប់វាបានអត់នេះអូមឿនព្រៃ right here
Oh, I want to take a picture right there, the tree right there, honey.
ធ្លាក់វិញមកពេញហ្នឹងអូ right here ដើមញោនេះញោទៀបនេះhơi play dạ ok tục bên đâu dạ tục bên đâu sao dạ tục nó tục bên đâu sao no we take picture okay we didn't nobody said that no picture
They put a big sign.
they only said no drone
No, there's no photography.
No, in there.
Hi.
Might as well.
My dad took a picture of that. I had to hold him because he almost fell down here.
Why you guys in front of me? Take your guy butt. I've been video your guy butt.
How does this car get in here? Oh, they're cooking tacos for
Oh.
$1 each.
Oh. Really?
No, I don't know.
Oh, this is the best scenery, okay?
How the hell does this car get in here?
There's a way, is it? Huh? No.
Mơ đam chơ này. Yeah, look at this đam chơ right here.
This is you hang out?
No, this one no. I don't. Maybe not that strong. This one.
Falling branch and
Yeah, you can hang on.
You can hang on?
What's that trail over there?
Cemetery site.
What's that trail on that side over there? Have you been on that side, Sandy? That trail.
No.
It's a trail, right?
Yeah.
Okay, later. Come back. You have time to go. Come back. We go.
It's a different way though.
No, we just go a little bit. Come back. Just get all the clip.
Look at all the dragon fruits on this tree.
The tourist peanut near lime vein flow mà đo kroi kê.
Oh, I'm blind. Darling.
Wow, look at dragon fruit craw and clam way up there, up high. See nó trông thưa, we lang off.
All dragon fruit.
Yeah, we lang đo lử mà nó.
So they
They own that property.
with the shape, huh?
Alright, here, go wash my hands.
Hey, look at he don't even move. Look at that.
You go around me. I'm staying here.
Oh, this
Unless they're laying eggs.
So you're like,
No?
you are the lazy one.
No, they get you to feed them.
be cautious. I didn't mean what
Hey, how far are we going? All this wine, no food.
They're gonna over
Right.
there. More over there.
No.
Let's go more. Yeah. Huh? So I need to go that way anyway.
We got shade. No shade over there.
Joe, go in there, Joe.
Yeah, right
Over
here.
here under the tree over there.
No, no shade. There's no shade.
There is.
Too much rock. Too much rock.